These 5 science experiments are the easiest ones DIY that you can do at home with supplies that you have at home, and you're using water, so it's really easy. So the first one here, we're making a suction. So you'll need a glass jar and a ping pong ball. You'll fill your glass jar or cup up with water, and you'll flip it over, and it will fit just perfect. And the ping pong ball won't fall off because it's making a suction, and there's a little air pocket in your glass bottle. So really cool. And then you just hit it and it falls off. So super easy. Second one, we're making a siphon. So you'll cut your straw at the same length, and then you'll fill 1 cup up with water. I added food coloring in it just to give it more color and it look better. So you'll take your straw that's the same length on either side, you'll stick it in your water, and you'll fill the straw up with water, and then you will put your finger on the straw so the water doesn't drain out, and then you'll flip it over into the cup with water, and then it will just siphon it over. And this is actually kind of neat, but super cool to watch. And if you have a bigger cup, then it will make it, you can watch it for longer. So really neat and easy to do. Okay, so our next one is pretty much the same thing, but you're using paper towels. So you'll fold your paper towels into 3s here and make sure they're nice, and then you're going to add water, and the paper towel will actually transfer water, and it's actually kind of neat to watch. So you'll add your water. I did a couple cups so it would drain into the center one. Again, if you had bigger cups, it would siphon more over. So you just stick the first one in and squeeze it over just so it will fold down just like a straw, but instead you're using a paper towel. And do the same thing again on the other side. And then it does take like 2 minutes, but I put it on time lapse just to make it a little quicker, but like you can see it. And I would highly adjust using food coloring just so you can see the color go through the paper towel. Make sure it's nice and strong so you can see the color. But like, just watch that. Like, you see all the vibrant colors mixing. If you do light food coloring and a dark one, then it won't make such a weird color in the center. But look at that. That's super cool. Okay, this is a really easy one. It's just a lot of pepper and soap. You probably know how to do this one already, but it's just so easy to do and really neat because it's just kind of really neat to watch. So I'll put the soap on my finger, and then I like to drop it in from the top. So let's look at that again. It's just so cool how it just like separates, and super neat. Okay, this one we make like a bobber thing, and so you need yellow tack or blue tack or white tack. I use clay putty and it did not work, but you stick it in there and it should bounce up and down. Here's my clip of it working, but so it does work. Anyways, this is my favorite one, and I'm giving you an extra one because that one didn't work. Anyways, so you'll put M&Ms down and it will make a swirl effect. Super cool. And put down in the comments which one you thought was your favorite, and go ahead and give this video a like. Okay, so we've added our water in. You want to pour it in slowly because otherwise your M&Ms will move. But it takes like 2 minutes, minute and a half to do. But it's really cool to watch, and you can make any design. The second one here, I did a different design, and I must say I really like how this one turned out. Like, it's super cool, and that it's only using M&Ms and water. Like, so simple and easy to do. Like, just look at all the color. It's really impressive. So thanks for watching. Go ahead and give the video a like and subscribe.